Hello, today I am going to solve this equation 3x power minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8 into x power minus 1. So first of all, the solution will be like that. Solution, let x minus 1 equal to y. Now taking squaring x minus 1 square is equal to y square. When I took the square, I can write this like that, x power minus 2 and y square. So in this equation, on this I can write y square, and this x I can write y. So my equation will become 3y square plus 5 equal to 8y. Now I am shifting this term into other side, so it can like that, 3y square minus 8y plus 5 equal to 0. Now I am taking writing it into fraction form. So for fraction, I am taking the fraction like that, multiply this term into this terms like that, 3 5 are 15. And now I need a number on which multiplying I got 15, and doing plus minus I got 8. So the right term is minus 3 minus 5 minus plus, and 3 5s are 15. And when I add these terms, minus 3 minus 8, I can write this minus 8. So the right factor is minus 3 minus 5. I am writing it into here, 3y square minus 3y minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0. Here is minus 5. So I am now I am taking common from these two terms and these two terms. In this term I can common 3y, and remaining amount is y minus 1, and in this term I can take common minus 5, and the remaining term y minus 1 equal to 0. Now the next step is y minus 1 is common in both these terms, so y minus 1 common in both these terms, and remaining one is 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now I am separating this term, y minus 1 equal to 0 and 3y minus 5 equal to 0. Now the value of y will be like that, y is equal to 1, and on the other side the value of y will be 5 over 3. Now I am writing the value of y as I assumed in the above like that, y is equal to x minus 1. So I am writing here in the side, on the side of y, x minus 1 equal to 1, and in this side I am writing x minus 1 equal to 5 over 3. So for taking the positive power, I can write it like that, 1 over x equal to 1 and 1 over x equal to 5 over 3. As I know that if I have a power in negative, I can write it like that, 1 over x, or reciprocal. So the value is the value of this x is, so the value of this x will be, here is dividing and on other side it will be multiplying, so I can write it like that, x is equal to 1 or x equal to 1. So in this term I can write it like that, 3 over 5 equal to x, and x is equal to 3 over 5. So x is equal to 3 over 5. So solution set will be 3 over 5. I hope you enjoy this equation. If you like this equation or the question, then you can subscribe the channel.